Hey traders, Raghee here. Everyone's been asking, what are you doing with the long-term account positions? And I'm going to walk you through a couple of the highlights in this video. So first of all, take a look at Walmart. This will be one of the ones we take a look at. My average cost, that's where I bought the shares. That's $85. So what I'm going to show you is the chart of Walmart. And in this case, what I'm looking to do is take advantage of a well-timed buy with the idea that I can hold a position for months to maybe years. In this case, we bought it at 85, and currently, as you can see, Walmart's hovering just below $100. And this is from the span of just March Q1 to where we are right now at the beginning of June. So these things can happen pretty quickly and be very productive. And so now let's take another example because it's not just one. These are the 2025 positions. Let's take the next one here. This would be AbbVie. So AbbVie was a position that I bought at 170.20. It's, as you can tell, currently just above 192. And it's the same idea. If I can take a look at a chart and find a few key levels from which I know I have an advantage because there's a high probability of a bounce, you can see right here why that 170 area made a lot of sense. In fact, it's been support for quite some time, and off that support, here goes AbbVie bouncing through and hopefully through this 200 level. But this is the kind of productivity you can have when you have that longer term time horizon. All right, let's grab one more here, and I'm going to take you down to the Altria group. All right, so some of these positions are often going to be, by taking a look at this Altria here, some of these positions are often going to be things that we can hold for a lot longer. And Altria is such a great example of picking something up at $51. And now, just 3 weeks ago, Altria has hit a high through $60. This kind of trending activity is exactly what we're looking for, regardless of the kind of trading we're doing. But in this case, in the longer term account, I don't have to pay attention to this constantly. In fact, I look at these positions maybe 2 to 3 times a month. So this is the kind of thing that I'm doing in 2025 in my longer term account. And if you want to learn how to find trades like this and what I'm doing, check out the webinar that's coming up on July 9 at 7 p.m. Eastern. The link to register is below. I'll see you there. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.